guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna say the story of my graduating. Make sure to like and subscribe.
This is Angel, and she's holding the balloons for the graduates. Who doesn't love balloons?
I do. I do.
That's her. And this is the walk. That's Mary's name. And that's me, Martha.
Walking down.
That's Beauty's best friend, Mercy. And that's Anuma Sangi, our aunt, and Tuomi. That's Mercy.
That's Naomi.
That's Remy, my best friend.
And that's me, Beauty. She's so beautiful. That's Naomi. We're excited to graduate.
It's Angel. She's walking up to the camera. And it's our baby brother, Christian.
He's just walking down. Yeah, he's really
He knows how to walk now, and he loves to do it. And
sometimes
that's him
crawls.
just walking around and looking out the window, sightseeing. He likes looking around a lot, and that's him. That's us about to prepare for our graduation. The graduation. That's Mercy, Remy. That's
me and my friends.
That's the graduates. They're lining up for graduation.
And sooner or later, they're gonna walk down that runway and slay. Mm-hmm.
That's them right now, getting ready in line. That's Mary's teacher. What's her name?
Mrs. Osejo.
That's Mary's friend.
They're gonna tell them
Isaac. That's all of her friends. That's Mary. She's getting ready for graduation. And that's the rest of her friends.
And they're gonna run down that walkway, and they're gonna graduate from kindergarten to first grade.
That's them right now.
They're waiting to go in. And that's
them. Who's that?
Isaac. Naomi.
And that's everyone else. They're just getting ready for graduation.
That's
Ami. And Mary. She's walking down the aisle, and she's doing graduation.
She's getting ready to graduate from kindergarten to first grade. Mm-hmm.
They're gonna be doing a special song, all those special songs and stuff. They're just getting ready right now. That's Mary right there. And that's her and her friends graduating.
It's gonna be fun.
They are graduating from kindergarten to first grade. That's them. Who's that? That's
Sanvi.
Yeah, that's Isaac, Naomi, and Sanvi. That's us getting ready to sing. And that's the kindergartners singing their songs for graduation, to say thank you to everyone who helped them through kindergarten. Still singing. That's Mary and Naomi. That's us singing. That's me, Remy, our friends, Josephine, other friends, Mary, and her friends. She made lots of friends in kindergarten. That's us still singing right now. That's us.
And if you want to know what we're thinking,
thank you, God, for this day, and thank you for this graduation and everything that you made for us. And please make sure that our graduation is great. In Jesus' name, amen.
Amen. Kindergarten portion. So
today, our graduating class, they'd like to say something very special to you.
Graduation is here.
go into first grade.
I am really excited.
That's them right now. That's them graduating.
Now we are gonna get our papers and our stuff. Yeah.
They're getting their diplomas. Something.
Something like that.
That's Naomi, Mary's friend.
And
That is for Mary Renthlei.
She just graduated. She got her certificate and all that stuff. Those are her friends.
okay, now we're holding our certificates. Now we're gonna sing. So watch. And that's Isaac, Naomi, and Sunby, and Miley.
That's them holding their certificates up.
Okay, now we
Now-
are finished.
Yeah, they're finished with their graduation.
Now we're gonna
They're walking down the stairs and going out. They just graduated. That's them.
yeah, and we're gonna change our
That's Mary. That's her teacher.
yeah. Watch. That's our baby brother.
That's Mary and Naomi taking their picture with their gifts, and right now they're eating the food that Miss Jean is handing out to them. That's Mary right now picking her food.
She chose some watermelons. And those are the others waiting in line.
Those are the pastors. That's Matthew, our step cousin, and that's Anu Miriami and Anu Masangi eating. That's Beauty and Josephine, and that's our cousin Samuel. That's Christian walking around in the kitchen.
Thank you for watching, everyone.